welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about interfaces in Java. What is an interface? Interface is simply collection of variables, abstract methods, and concrete methods from Java version 8 onwards. From Java version 8 onwards, that is up to version number 7. An interface is simply collection of variables and abstract methods only. Now you got the point. So up to Java version 7, an interface is simply collection of variables and abstract method only. But from version 8 onwards, within the interface, it is possible to write the concrete methods also. You know the difference. Abstract method means a method without any implementation or without any definition is called abstract method. What is concrete method? A method with some definition. Okay. Now, if you want to create an interface, what are the rules to be followed? Point number 1. So, we are using the keyword interface. Interface is the keyword which is used to declare the interface. What is the syntax? Interface followed by the name of the interface. Open the bracket. Here you are writing the body of the interface and then close. This is the syntax of creating an interface. Syntax of creating an interface. Second point, within interface, you can write any programming component. By default, the programming components are public. Remember the point. So by default, within the interface, the access specifier or access modifier is automatically public. Suppose coming to classes, what is the access specifier? We have one access modifier default is there. In classes, the access modifier is default, but in interface, the access modifier is public. Third point. So within the interface, you said consists of variables. Yes or no? So we can declare both primitive variable and non-primitive variable. That means primitive data type variable like into, float, char, boolean, and also you can declare non-primitive data type variable like string, enum, etc. We can declare any type of variable inside the interface. Next point. So coming to variable. So understand, first I given the syntax. So interface is the keyword. My second point is what are the access modifier. My third and fourth points are related to variables. So the variables that are declared in the interface are automatically static and final. So you know that one. Static means those members are available inside the class area. You got it? So static variables will get the memory inside the interface area here while the interface is loading. And we can access the static by using interface name. Final in the sense constant. If a variable is declared as the final, it is not possible to modify. Remember, within the interface, it is not possible for non-static variable. Only static is allowed. Non-static variables are not allowed. Why? Why in the sense these are loaded inside the interface area, but non-static members are loaded inside the heap area. But you are not creating an object for the interface. That is the reason. Now, so next point, these two are related to variable. Next, by default, here these are variables. Now, the methods declared in the interface are automatically non-static abstract methods. The methods are non-static and abstract methods. Now, interfaces cannot be instantiated. So that means it is not possible to create an object for the interface. Not possible to create an object for the interface. Next one. Now, if you have an interface in your program, then what you need to do? You need to write one class. If you have an interface in program, you need to write one class. That class, by using the keyword implements, it implements the abstract methods of the interface. Okay. Now, this class is called implementation class. If you have an interface, you need to create an implementation class. That class implements the abstract methods of the interface. Now, this implementation class, what I said, simply construct the body of the abstract methods of interface. Whatever the methods available in the interface, for all those abstract methods, this implementation class only provides the definition. Next one, within this class, their own methods also. So, whatever the methods I am implementing, generally the methods are called implemented methods. So, what is mean by implemented methods? The methods that are present in the interface, you are providing the definition. Those methods are called implemented. Simply, the methods that are taken from the interface. And within the implementation class, you have non-implemented methods also. Non-implemented methods is their own methods. The methods that are not taken from the interface. Okay. Now, up to now, you are getting some basic points related to interface. Now, I will give you some example program. See this one, interface. Assume the name of the interface is arithmetic. Within this interface, what I am doing? Create one abstract method. Abstract. So, int calculate of int x comma int y. So, like this, you can create any abstract method, not only one. For example, if you want, I write one more abstract method, public abstract void sum method into xy, suppose int sum k. Now observe, an interface arithmetic is created in your program with two abstract methods. Now, create one class. Assume the class name is addition. Here, use the keyword implements. You got it? Now, this addition is called implementation class. This class implements the abstract method of the interface. Okay. Now, within this one, provide the definition. Suppose a public return type is int. Now, you need to remove abstract. At the time of declaration only, you are writing abstract. At the time of definition, you need to remove abstract. Calculate of int x into y. So just to return some value, return RUTU. So addition, return simply x plus y. Close this one. Now create the definition for second abstract method. Suppose public void dis int k. Here what I am doing, just to again printing the value. Their return type is integer, that is the reason I return the value. Here return type is void, so I am printing the value. System.out.println k is equal to, just I am printing. Close this method, close this class. Now you got it. In this example, arithmetic is called interface. It consists of two abstract methods. Now addition is called implementation class. What this class do? This class implements. Generally, these two are implemented methods. These two are implemented methods. Along with, if you want, you have your own method also. For example, void show of int z. System.out.println z is equal to plus z. Now here show is called non-implemented method. Show is called non-implemented method. Simply the methods that are taken from the interface are called implemented methods, and the methods that are not taken, that is own methods, are called non-implemented. Demo interface 1. Okay. Within this class, a public static void main string args. So remember, it is not possible to create an object for the interface. What you need to do? Create an object for the implementation class. What is this class name? Addition. Addition. Some object is equal to new addition of. Now, by using this object, call the methods calculate of some 2, 3. Anyway, it returns some value. You know that's one. Whenever it returns some value assigned to some variable, or else directly print inside system.out.println the assign to some variable and print that value, or else directly call the method inside the print statement ob.dis of some 2. Now ob dot show of some 4. Like this, you can call all the methods. Now you observe. So interface consists of abstract method. Addition class provides the implementation along with their own method. Now in the child class, implementation is happened. Now finally, save and execute dot Java. Go to command prompt. Java C space dot Java. Remember, it is not possible to create an object for the interface. See this one. First to 5. Whenever I am returning some value, 2 plus 3, 5 is there. Now the value of k is equal to 2. Value of z is equal to 4. I think now you understand how to write interfaces in your program. How do you write and you use interfaces in your program. Now, next point is, in your program, one interface is there. That interface can be implemented by any number of classes. There is no restriction. Within a program, your interface can be implemented by any number of classes. Suppose, go to this program. Here, this is the interface. This is implemented by addition. For example, here I will write one more class. Assume the class name is some subtraction. So see this one, subtraction is one class. This class also implements arithmetic. Here I written x minus y. And show, not show, suppose show 1, z1, just for understanding, k1. Okay. Now at the time of calling, create subtraction. OB1 is equal to new subtraction of. Okay. Now OB1 dot calculate of sum 12 comma 3. OB1 dot DIS of sum 20. OB1 dot show 1. Now you got it. So only calculate and DIS are the abstract methods. Now show is the method in the addition class. Show 1 is the method in the child class. So both are not equal. Now you got it. One interface is implemented by any number of classes. There is no restriction on the number of classes. See this one. First, this is addition is happened. After that, I am calling the subtraction. So subtractions are also happened. Now you got it. This is the way to achieve interface. One interface is implemented any number of classes. Now the next point is, so up to now I said interfaces consists of only concrete method. Next point is an interface from Java version 8 onwards. Interface consists of concrete methods also. Concrete methods also. Okay, that we will discuss. How to write the concrete methods, what are the different types of concrete methods, we will discuss in the next session. Up to this, I think, okay, this is the basic interfaces. Thank you.